Hello friends, welcome to Gardening is My Love. In this brand new episode, let me bring before you a new herbal plant, Senna Alata. It is known as candle plant. We have been growing candlestick cassia, also known as candelabra plant, in our yard for almost a decade. It's an easy to grow multifunctional plant that provides a lot of nitrogen fixing biomass, attracts many butterflies and has medicinal properties and provides much needed shade. However, it does have an invasive tendency as it deposits thousands of seeds. So as always, use responsible management to prevent overgrowth and encroaching into your neighboring campuses. So what is the benefit of growing candlestick cassia or candle plant? This fast growing tree provides a lot of shade from its large nitrogen fixed leaves which we use as a chop and drop for mulching. It also attracts many butterflies, ladybugs and lacewings. It's a nitrogen fixer. Its vibrant yellow flowers are popular with pollinators and it produces an abundance of seeds, which is great for biomass, but it can quickly take over. So remove the seed pods prior to them forming to prevent them from taking over. So what is this nitrogen fixing abilities? We do not use any type of store-bought fertilizers in our yard, so we love to use nitrogen fixing plants. Mulch provides nitrogen through its leaves and branches as the trees produce nitrogen. So this candle plant is also a pollinator and host plant. Now, this candle plant is a dynamic accumulator. The roots of the candle plant reach deep down through the ground and extract nutrients that may not be readily available for all other plants. It gathers these nutrients and stores them in its leaves, branches and trunks. This is called a dynamic accumulator, and their ability to enhance soil fertility and contribute to the sustainable gardening practices is definitely something we want in our garden. When the leaves fall off and the tree gets cut back, the plant parts decompose and release these nutrients into the soil, benefiting all the plants. So now let me proceed with the medicinal properties. It provides antifungal, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that can aid in treating various ailments. The leaves can be crushed and applied topically to reduce swelling and provide relief from skin conditions. It's also known as ringworm plant. Its antifungal properties make it effective against infections like ringworm, while its antimicrobial abilities help to combat harmful bacteria and viruses. Next, it is anti-inflammatory. Candlestick cassia has anti-inflammatory properties to reduce swelling. Prepare it by crushing up candlestick cassia leaves and mixing them with coconut oil. Apply the mixture to the affected area and leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing off. The third important property is antifungal. Candlestick cassia has antifungal properties that can help treat fungal infections such as ringworm and athlete's foot. We use this instead of lotrimine. To prepare, we boil the leaves in water for 10 minutes, strain the mixture and let it cool. We ground it up in the food processor and apply it twist shell using a tip. And it's also a laxative. Candlestick plant is a natural laxative that can help relieve constipation. We have never tried this, but it is stated to prepare it by boiling the leaves in water for 10 minutes, straining and drinking before bed. Antimicrobial and antioxidant. Candlestick plant is also said to have antimicrobial and antioxidant properties that can help fight against bad bacteria and viruses, can help protect the body against free radicals by consuming it. So thank you for watching this episode. If you are consuming candle plant, its leaves, take always the help of a practicing Ayurvedic doctor. So thank you.